Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you've wanted to get into stand-up paddleboarding, I think you should check out this board from Freein. I think this board and all of the accessories included with it are the perfect setup for a beginner. But even if you're an experienced rider, this is just an amazing sup. I have found this 10-foot 6-inch design to be ultra stable and really easy to use. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes to kind of get my sea legs underneath me, but once I did, I was able to stand up. I love the grips in the center because it made it really easy to not feel like I was slipping off. There's a lot of amazing features that come with this Freein SUP. So one is a really nice backpack carrying case. I felt comfortable wearing all of the gear in the backpack, and I did not find it difficult to get from our car down to the beach. This setup comes with a kayak seat, that the kayak seat was super fun and really easy to put together and use. It also comes with an adjustable paddle. They even include a repair kit, which is super thoughtful. The instructions were really easy to follow, and the pump comes with a PSI indicator so you know when you've got it to the perfect amount. Once it's inflated, I found it to be really firm and it didn't deflate at all while we were using it. It took us about 4 to 6 minutes to inflate this, and we did take turns. It comes with a leg band, so if you do fall off, you're not going to lose your board and it won't get away from you. There's even a camera mount at the front for your GoPro, so you can capture all of your adventure. I felt that this kit was really thoughtfully designed and put together, making it accessible for anyone to learn to stand up paddleboard. This SUP from Freein means there is no reason not to start stand up paddleboarding. We've loved it. I think you will too. And that's my point of view.